The new BMW ALPINA is not trying to scream. It does not need to, because true luxury performance has never been about noise. This is the Vision BMW ALPINA, and honestly, it may be one of the most elegant grand tours BMW has created in decades. At first glance, it feels calm, almost understated. But then you notice the details. The long coupe silhouette, the shark nose, the impossibly clean surfaces, and those iconic 20-spoke wheels. Everything about this car is designed around one idea: speed without aggression. ALPINA has always been different. While other performance cars focused on drama, ALPINA focused on refinement. Fast cars that could cross Europe in complete comfort. And this Vision car continues exactly that philosophy. Under the hood, a V8 engine, not electric simulation, not artificial emotion, a real grand touring experience. BMW describes the sound as deep and rich at low speed, and emotional at high revs. But the most impressive part might actually be the interior, because this does not feel like a normal luxury sedan anymore. It feels architectural. Open-pore wood, crystal controls, full-grain leather, minimalist surfaces, and hidden details that only reveal themselves the longer you look. Even the ambient lighting changes character between Comfort Plus and Speed mode, because ALPINA believes something most brands forgot: a comfortable driver is a faster driver. That philosophy started back in the 1960s. And now, BMW is bringing it into a completely new era. This is not an M car, and it is not a Rolls-Royce. It sits somewhere in between. Quiet confidence, effortless speed, and sophistication without trying too hard. The Vision BMW ALPINA does not chase attention. It earns it.